ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, निवृत्ती उदारा सोपान देवा, मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची. Arjuna had grief, moha in first chapter. The reason or cause for that moha is ignorance. Effect of that moha is shoka. In first chapter, Arjuna shoka has been seen. So, cause of that shoka is moha. Cause of moha is ignorance. In order to counter attack ignorance or in order to remove ignorance, Bhagwan gave knowledge in second chapter. Whereas where knowledge is I am not doer, I am a karta. I cannot do any action. I am Brahman, infinite. And in second chapter, few places, Bhagwan said, now you do karma. Karmanyevadhikaraste. So Bhagwan said, you cannot do action, you are a karta. Bhagwan said, you do action because you deserve that now. You are fit to do action. So this kind of double-sided conversation, Arjuna did not understand. Nobody will understand. Then he said in the first sloka, Bhagwan, please tell me what is good for me. I don't like the way you are teaching me. If this is your teaching, then what is false teaching? So many accusations Arjuna had raised against Bhagwan. And now finally he said, Bhagwan, is there something wrong in your character? So Bhagwan said, we saw that shloka verse number 50. He says, Tevichi Krishna he tujhe charitra kahi nenije. I don't understand your character. And are you testing me? Jari chitta pahase maje yenemishe on the pretext of this, are you testing me? And then he continued his words. He said, Natari zakavito ahasi mate ki tatvachi kathile dhvanite he avgamita nirute जानवेना sorry ना तरी झकवितु आहासी माते की तत्वची कथिले ध्वनिते हे अवगमिता निरुते जानवेना जानवेना I don't understand what you actually want to say. I don't understand what is your purport. I don't understand what is there in your heart, Bhagavan. I feel you are cheating with me. Natari Zhakavi tu ahasi mate. Are you deceiving me, Bhagavan? I feel you are deceiving me. Mate to me. Zhakavi tu deceiving. Cheating with me. Or ki tatvachi kathile dhvanite. Or I think you told me the principle of life, or you told me the solution of life In fact, you told me Brahman, that Tattvam, but Dhvanite Kathile, you told it, but not clearly. You told me in hidden implications. Means you did not tell me what real thing is. You told it some other way. I feel that. So either you are cheating with me, deceiving me, or you told me the truth, but in a different way you told. I am not able to understand. He avagamita nirute janavena. He avagamita. If I try to find out what really you did, nirute janavena. Certainly I cannot say anything. म्हणोनी ऐके देवा हा भावार्थ आता न बोलावा मज विवेको सांगावा मराठाजी म्हणोनी ऐके देवा हा भावार्थ आता न बोलावा मज विवेको सांगावा मराठाजी म्हणोनी means I don't understand whether you are cheating me or you are telling me truth in a hidden implications. I don't understand. Then what? Manoni, therefore, ऐके देवा, listen, O God. हा भावार्थ आता न बोलावा. Don't tell me in this secret way or such in a different way. Bhavartha आता न बोलावा. You don't teach me in different language. Straight you told me. मज विवेको सांगावा. You please admonish me. You please give me right knowledge. Viveko सांगावा. How? Marathaji. Marathaji means the language which I can understand. Here Maratha means in simple language, in Marathi language or in simple language you told me. He is not telling Bhagwan you told me in Marathi language. He is telling Bhagwan you tell me in a simple language. So Marathi might be simple according to Bhagwan Jnaneshwar Maharaj. It is simple. It is sweet. Now he says, I am not capable, Bhagwan. मी अत्यंत जड असे परी ऐसा ही निके परियसे कृष्णा बोलावे तुहा तैसे एकनिष्ठ मी अत्यंत जड असे परी ऐसा ही निके परियसे कृष्णा बोलावे तैसे तुआ तैसे एकनिष्ठ मी अत्यंत जड असे. I am dumb fellow, dullest fellow. अत्यंत too jada dull dumb. I have no brain, Bhagwan. मी अत्यंत जड असे परी, but I have one good quality that I will listen very carefully. I will listen very carefully, Bhagwan. परी निके परियेस परी ऐसा ही दो I am अत्यंत जड़ dumb fellow, dull fellow, but I will listen very carefully. कृष्णा बोलावे तुआ तैसे एकनिष्ठ कृष्णा बोलावे. Oh Krishna, you please tell what एकनिष्ठ one thing. Don't confuse me. You are a karta and you do karma. Don't confuse me in this way. Please tell me one thing, O Bhagwan. Ekanishta tuva taise bolave. You speak only one thing. I will listen it carefully, though I am dull in understanding. Now he gives example. Dekhe rogate jinave. औषध तरी यावे परिते अति रुच्च भावे मधुर जैसे देखे रोगाते जिनावे औषध तरी यावे परिते अतिरुच्च भावे मधुर जैसे देखे. Now he gives example. Bhagwan, you see. रोगाते जिनावे. We must cure disease. रोगाते जिनावे. Then Aushadha tari yave. Then if you have to cure any disease, what you have to do? You have to take medicine. Aushadha tari yave. Yes, Bhagavan, I have to take medicine. I understand that. But he is telling that medicine should be sweet. Now he is talking with Bhagavan like a child, like a friend. You tell me Upadesha, but how? Parite atirucha vave. That medicine should be sweet, Bhagavan. I know we have to take medicine in order to cure disease, but I feel that medicine should be sweet. Ati rucha bhave. It's not only sweet, it should be too sweet, it should be too good. Ati rucha means it should be too palatable. Palatable means I would like to take it. Ati rucha. I should like that medicine. And madhura, as I say, it should be sweet. So sweet and palatable. Ati rucha means not sweet. Ati rucha means too much liking should be there towards that medicine. And madhur, as I say, and it should be sweet. So you give me medicine, but it should be too much conducive and too much sweet. So you give me upadesh, I will take it. It should be very convenient and very sweet. तैसे सकळार्थ भरीत तत्व जरी तरी सांगावे उचित परी बोधे माझे चित्त जया परी तैसे सकळार्थ भरीत तत्व तरी सांगावे उचित परी बोधे माझे चित्त जया परी तैसे ओ गॉड लाइक दैट मेडिसिन सकळार्थ भरित तत्व उचित तत्व तरी सांगावे. The same thing I am reading. तैसे like that medicine example. सकळ अर्थ भरित. All meaning should be encapsulated in your words. सकळ अर्थ भरित. It should be full of proper meaning. तत्व तरी सांगावे उचित. You must tell me the truth which is appropriate to know in appropriate words which are filled with all meaning that you tell. And how? Bodhe maje chitta jaya pari. Tell in a such a way that my mind will understand. I will not be entangled in karma and akarta bhava. Jaya pari maje chitta bodhe. In a way, my mind will be enlightened. In that way, you tell me the appropriate highest truth. The word should be fulfilled with all meaning. देवा तुझ ऐसा गुरु निज गुरु आजी आरती धनी कान करू एत भीड कवनाची धरू तुमाय अमुची. Now he is more becoming like child. देवा तुझ ऐसा निज गुरु आजी आरती धनी कान करू एत भीड कवनाची धरू तू माय आमुची. देवा, ओ देवा, तुझ ऐसा निज गुरु. A teacher like you I have got. Niz Guru, Niz own my own teacher, तुझा ऐसा. Oh, now God has become Guru. Wonderful thing. माझ्या विठोबाचा कैसा प्रेम भाव आपणची देव होय गुरु. God will become your teacher. Now he will tell how he got Lord Krishna. Very important. तुझा ऐसा निज गुरु. And he says, I want a teacher like you. Aji, today, Arati Dhani Kana Kuru. Whatever my desires are there, why shouldn't I fulfill them? Why should I hesitate to ask whatever I feel? Because I got teacher who is God. Aji Arti Dhani Kana Kuru. Arti, whatever desires are there, Dhani, why shouldn't I fulfill all the desires? Because you are there. And why should I be afraid of anyone? Eta bhida kavanachi dharu. Bhida, afraid. Why should I be afraid of anyone? Because तो माय amuchi. You are my mother, O Bhagwan. Why should I afraid? Why should I hesitate to ask you? Because I got guru like you. More is fondling Bhagwan. He gives example. Why shouldn't I hesitate to ask? Because God is there. He gives example which always fulfills whatever a person wants. आगा कामधेनूचे दुभते दैवे जाहले जरी अपैते तरी कामनेची का तेथे वाणी कीजे हागा कामधेनूचे दुभते दैवे जाहले जरी अपैते तरी कामनेची का तेथे वाणी कीजे हागा on the top of that Bhagavan he says or कामधेनूचे दुभते अपैते दैवे अपैते जरी जाहले. I'm reading this, I'm not talking something else. कामधेनूचे दुभते दैवे अपैते जरी जाहले. कामधेनूचे दुभते means a काम wish fulfilling cow. Wish fulfilling cow. So if we get wish fulfilling cow, then because of our fate, we got this wish fulfilling cow. तरी कामनेची का तेथे वाणी कीजे. Why should I hesitate to ask whatever I want to that Kamadhenu? Because it is going to fulfill my all the desire. It is going to satisfy my all desires. So why should I restrain myself from asking whatever I want? Because I got Kamadhenu. In the same way, Bhagwan, I got you. Why should I hesitate? He says another example which also fulfills our desire. जरी चिंतामणी हाता चढे तरी वांछेचे कवण साकडे का आपुलेनी सुरवाडे इच्छावे ना. जरी चिंतामणी हाता चढे तरी वांछेचे कवण साकडे का आपुलेनी सुरवाडे इच्छावे ना. जरी if चिंतामणी हाता चढे. So Chintamani, wish fulfilling stone, wishing stone. Chintamani hata chade. Somehow you found out one wishing stone. Tari vancheche kavan sakade. Then why should be there some problem to ask something? Sakade means sankat. Some problem or why there should be some hindrances to ask whatever I want because I have Chintamani. I can ask anything. Ka apuleni survade ichha vena. Shouldn't we ask what pleases us? Ka apuleni survade. Shouldn't we ask what is good for us? Ichha vena. Shouldn't we ask? So if we get Chintamani, what is the problem to ask whatever we want? And he is telling, shouldn't we ask what is good for me? So I should ask, Apuleni it survade. For my sake only I am asking. He is saying, if you go to ocean which is full of nectar, and you did so much to reach that ocean which is full of nectar, and you say, no, I will not drink, I will hesitate, I will go back. Then what is the use of whatever you did to reach that ocean? The same way he says, we did so much in our life and we got you, Bhagavan. So why should we hesitate to ask you whatever we want? If we get ocean which is full of nectar, we shouldn't go thirsty. If we get Bhagwan which is full of nectar, we shouldn't go thirsty. We shouldn't go empty-handed. We should ask. देखा अमृत सिंधू ते ठाकावे मग तहाना जरी फुटावे तरी सायासु का करावे मागील ते. देखा अमृत सिंधू ते ठाकावे मग तहाना जरी फुटावे तरी सायासु का करावे मागील ते. देखा अमृत सिंधू ते ठाकावे मग तहाना जरी फुटावे तरी सायासु का करावे मागील ते. तरी, then, मागील सायास का करावे? Then whatever we did so much to reach that ocean, why we should have done that? We shouldn't have done that. So देखा अमृत सिंधु ते ठाकावे. देखा, सी भगवान, सी अमृत सिंधु ओशन ठाकावे, यू रीच देयर. मग तहाना जरी फुटावे and you don't drink for some reason. तरी सायासु का करावे मागील ते. Then why should we troubled ourselves? We put forth so much efforts and we reached till ocean. In the same way, why should we hesitate when we reach the ocean, which is Bhagavan? We should ask, we should quench our thirst. Now he says, how I got you, Bhagavan. How Lord Arjuna got Lord Krishna. जय तैसा जन्मांतरी बहुती उपासिता लक्ष्मीपती. तू दैवे आजी हाती जहालासी जरी. तैसा जन्मांतरी बहुती उपासिता लक्ष्मीपती. तू दैवे आजी हाती जाहलासी जरी. तैसा, like that, O Bhagwan. जन्मांतरी लक्ष्मीपति बहुती उपासिता. See, जन्मांतरी, in many lives, Lakshmipati, husband of Lakshmi, means Bhagavan Vishnu, Bhagavan Krishna. Bahuti upasita, too much worshipping I have done, too much intense tapas I have done for you. And the result of that, Daive aji hati jahalasi zari. So, Daive, with my fate. Fate means what? Karma. So, I did so much karma. I did worship you, Bhagwan, and I got it. Zari. Then, if lot of tapas I have done, lot of worship I have done, then you got me, then why should I hesitate? Tari apuliya, it is couplet of these two shlokas. Zari is there, means even if, no. Tari apuliya savesa, kana magawasi paresha, deva sukaluha manasa pahala ase. Tari apuliya savesa, kana magawasi paresha, deva sukaluha manasa pahala ase. Now he says, I got you, Bhagwan. I got you, Bhagwan. Then, Apuliya Savesa, whichever thing I want. Apuliya Savesa, whatever my mind says. Kana Magavasi Paresha. Paresha to Lord. Kana Magavasi. Because we got you with so much worship. We have done so much for you. Then why shouldn't we ask a little bit favor? Deva Sukaluha Manasa Pahala Ase. And my mind is now fully happy because I got you, Bhagwan. And he says, Deva Sukaluha Manasa Pahala Ase. So I got you. I did so much tapas. Now, whatever I want, why shouldn't I ask you? And today is the day. Today is the right time where my all desires will be fulfilled. Deva Sukaluha Manasa Pahalase. I see today is the best day to fulfill all my desires. So, I won't hesitate, Bhagavan. देखे सकळ आरतीचे जियाले, आजी पुण्य यशासी आले. हे मनोरथ जहाले विजयी माझे. देखे सकळ आरतीचे जियाले, आजी पुण्य यशासी आले. हे मनोरथ जहाले विजयी माझे. देखे भगवान, सकळ आरतीचे जियाले, my all desires are fulfilled. सकळ आरती जियाले. All my desires, they fructify today. Why? You are there with me, in front of me. What do I need? Aji punya yashasi ale. Whatever merits I have done, those merits gave result today. पुण्य यशासी आले. हे मनोरथ जाहले विजयी माझे. हे मनोरथ जाहले विजय माझे. So all my desires, they are fulfilled now. Success I have got, Bhagavan, because I have with you. So Bhagavan is there, but still he want to ask something. This is how bhakta, this is how life is. I have realized divine knowledge. Still I want to ask something from Bhagavan. So Sakala, so at one hand, or in one hand, there is satisfaction, but still in some cases or in some time of our life, there is no satisfaction for a few things. So these things will occur in everybody's life. So he says, all my desires are fulfilled, all my punya, they fructify today. And whatever I had, everything is successful now. Why? Because you are great, Bhagwan. जे जे परम मंगल धामा देव देवोत्तमा तू स्वाधीन आजी आम्हा म्हणउनिया. जी जी परम मंगल धामा देव देवोत्तमा तू स्वाधीन आजी आम्हा म्हणउनिया. जी जी परम मंगल धामा. ओ भगवान, ओ ग्रेट भगवान, you are the abode of highest auspiciousness. Means you are Bhagavan, highest auspiciousness. Mangalanam cha mangalam. You are that. Deva Devottama. You are God of gods. You are superior God of all gods. But to you, Aji, today, Amma Swadhina Bhadoniya. But you today are in our control. Today you are mine, Bhagavan. So though you may be great, but today you have surrendered to me, means you chose me as your devotee and you will fulfill whatever I say. Now he says, he gives beautiful example. Again, he is trying to melt Bhagavan Krishna's heart. जैसे मातेच्या ठाई अपत्या अनवसरू नाही स्तन्या लागून पाही जिया परी. जैसे मातेच्या ठाई अपत्या अनवसरू नाही स्तन्या लागून पाही जिया परी. जैसे, he gives example, जैसे मातेच्या ठाई, mother's example, अपत्या अनवसरू नाही. So avasara means right time. Anavasara means not right time. And anavasaru nahi means there is no right time. So to na, ana nahi. So there is no right time for mother towards her child. Anytime whatever child asks, she will give. Anytime when a child wants to drink milk or suck milk, she will see the time. At night she will give, in the morning she will give, anytime she will give, because child needs it. The same way, Bhagavan, you have to give me whatever I want at whatever time. तैसे देवा तुते पूजित पूज पुसिजत असे पुसिजतस पुसिजतसे आवडे ते आपुले आरते कृपानिधी. तैसे देवा तुते पुसिजतसे आवडे ते आपुलेनी आरते कृपानिधी. Deva, Taise Deva Tute, like that. So child will never think mother is sleeping. He'll just say, eh, started crying. Taise, like that child, Deva Tute Avadite Pusizata Ase. Whatever I feel, whatever is coming to my mind, I am asking you that. Apule arte, I am telling you my sorrow, Bhagwan. Whatever is coming to my mind, I am asking you. Krupanidhi, you are the repository of compassion, your ocean of compassion, Bhagwan. So you have to give me. And if whatever I am saying, if it pleases you, then you give me Bhagwan. Apule arte krupanidhi. So whatever I have in my mind, I am asking you. If it is pleasing you, you give me. What you give me? तरी पारित्रिकी हित आणि आचरिता तरी उचित ते सांगे एक निश्चित पार्थ म्हणे तरी पारत्रिकी हित आणि आचरिता तरी उचित ते सांगे एक निश्चित पार्थ म्हणे. So what you give Bhagwan? See, he is defining that. How to give? That also he defined. Means he is thinking smarter than Bhagwan. So we also think we are smarter than Bhagwan. The same thing with Arjuna also. But Bhagwan is smarter than all the smart people. Tari paritriki hita. Oh Bhagwan, tell me which will be very, very useful in hereafter. This is Ihaloka, in this world. Paraloka, hereafter, whatever world is there, or the next journey after dropping this body. Ani acharita tari uchita, and it should be very, very conducive to me. It should be really beneficiary for me. Te sange, that you tell, but don't tell two things and confuse me. Eka nishchita, Eknishtita Sangi, which will be helpful hereafter and which will be very conducive to implement that in life. If you say you are not doer, how will you implement? Because all the time you have to do some or the other things. So you tell me something which I can do it, I can implement in my life. Not only I just listen and walk out. So this is how Bhagavan Arjuna said to Bhagavan. पिकलिया सेंद कडूपन गेले. पिकलिया सेंद कडूपन गेले. पिकलिया सेंद कडूपन गेले. तैसे आम्हा केले पांडुरंगे. तैसे आम्हा केले पांडुरंगे. काम क्रोध लोभ निमाले ठाईची. काम क्रोध लोभ निमाले ठाईची. सर्व आनंदाची सृष्टी झाली. सर्व आनंदाची सृष्टी झाली. काम क्रोध लोभ निमाले ठाईची. काम क्रोध लोभ निमाले ठाईची. आठव नाठव गेले भावा भाव. आठव नाठव गेले भावा भाव. झाला स्वयमेव पांडुरंग. झाला स्वयमेव पांडुरंग. काम क्रोध लोभ निमाले ठाईची. काम क्रोध लोभ निमाले ठाईची. सर्व आनंदाची सृष्टी झाली. सर्व आनंदाची सृष्टी झाली. काम क्रोध लोभ निमाले ठाईची. काम क्रोध लोभ निमाले ठाईची तुका तुका म्हणे भाग्य या नावे म्हणीजे तुका म्हणे भाग्य या नावे म्हणीजे संसारी जन्मी जे याची लागी संसारी जन्मी जे याची लागी काम क्रोध लोभ निमाले ठाईची काम क्रोध लोभ निमाले ठाईची सर्व आनंदाची सृष्टी झाली सर्व आनंदाची सर्व आनंदाची सृष्टी झाली काम क्रोध लोभ निमाले ठाईची काम क्रोध लोभ निमाले ठाईची ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 पुंडलिक वरदा हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति शांति शांतिः हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम